Hey, good morning and welcome once again back to the office here at New Traditions, Dulcimers and Ukuleles. My name is Dan Daniels. It is a early Wednesday morning here in Somerset, Indiana. It's dark outside still, cold and just kind of dreary. I want to introduce to you number 866, one of our New Traditions Dulcimers. This is a single sound hole, which is obvious. A 25-inch VSL from the nut to the saddle. This one is made out of cherry back and sides, and a wonderful straight grain. Trying to get the light here to help me out here. Straight grain, Port Orford Cedar, a kind of a standard rosette around the sound hole. These are our budget economy tuners on these. We do offer an upgrade for these. One-piece scroll head, which we're not going to do anymore after, I think I have one more scroll head left. We're going to do three-piece laminated scroll heads from here on out. This is a really beautiful instrument, and it sounds great. And as I hold it, it's got some good weight to it too, so it will definitely stay on your lap. So I play it a little bit like this so that you can see it as I play. Here's what it sounds like. The sustain on these instruments is pretty impressive. I really like this combination of cherry and Port Orford Cedar. There you go, number 866. Since I've been keeping track, this is my 866th dulcimer that I've made. I've been keeping track for not as long as I should have. We started in 1982 in a little cottage on Vashon Island up in Washington State. But anyway, that's history. Here's number 866, New Traditions Teardrop Dulcimer, cherry back and sides. Port Orford Cedar straight grain, Port Orford Cedar top, 25-inch VSL. This will be on our website soon. Number 866. Lord bless you guys.